Well, then I guess I have to buy Nature magazine as a birthday present for myself. Bye! Kim, play me some music.
Connected successfully.
You know, there is an idea called the Lab Members Initiative. The idea is to bring together a group of remarkable people, see if they can become something more, see if they can work together when we need them to answer the questions that we never could. You see, all cells are defined by their outer membrane. This membrane serves as a protective shield and provides the major communications infrastructure of the cell with the outside world. However, we do not fully understand how the membrane is organized, how it changes its shape and composition, how it allows cells to eat, drink, fuse, exchange information. In the initiative, we can train these people to use their powers for the good of mankind, help them to focus their energy on burning questions like these, give them tools they never had before, and teach them methods they never even heard of.
Kim, activate fluorescence.
Connected successfully.
These powers, in the right hands, can change the way we think about cell biology, life, and even the universe itself.
Let it go!